The 8th edition of African EduWeek opened its doors at the Sandton Convention Centre, Johannesburg on the 10th and the 11th of July 2014. The event is hailed by many in the sector as Africa's premier education exhibition and conference. African EduWeek, that partnered with SABC Education in 2014, had over 2,500 visitors in attendance, including educators and department heads from basic and higher education, national and regional government officials, and education specialists coming together in a melting pot of exciting conversations and exhibition of innovative solutions to Africa's educational challenges.
SABC Education as a genre within it has got 3 content units, 1 formal education, 2 youth and development, and 3 public education. We pride ourselves that we're developing content that is in line and geared towards assisting our young people of the country.
The exhibition has been great so far. The sessions have been very informative. I've learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to it next year.
I've enjoyed many of the talks. One of them that comes to mind is Judy's talk on neuroscience and education, why teachers need to know about how the brain operates, what motivates students.
This exhibition has been professional, it's up to standard. And not only that, it's also educational. I'm happy with the manner in which they've exhibited everything in terms of learning, how we can improve in schools, in colleges, and all the learning institutions.
I've been really intrigued with how educators have been networking and coming together to talk about different innovative strategies that they have for financing for education. I think anybody that's ever worked in education sphere has recognized that the need absolutely is overwhelming compared to the resources available.
Formal education briefly exists in support of the national curriculum and develop content in line thereof, from the foundation phase through to the intermediate, through to your senior phase, as well as your higher education phase, including the adult education phase. The youth and development unit exists so that we can advance also the youth development programs of our country, where young people could express themselves, their feelings and how they feel about one another, what opportunities exist, and perhaps how they could shape the future of this country. And the public education unit exists, obviously, so that all of us can have conversations that matter to us as a society, as a nation, and as a country.
My highlight is that one too, how do we engage on technology, how to improve education using technology. That's been very much my highlight of the day.
My highlight would be the robotics with the DJ, with the robot with the DJ. Yeah, I think it was the first time I saw that.
As we celebrated 20 years of our democracy, we look back with pride and say, we have done our bit as a unit, we've done our bit as a genre. What is the roadmap going forward? It is my hope that we will all join together, pull our efforts together in realizing that which is important to all of us, the education of an African child.